The first principle that I want to discuss with you is contrast. It means focusing attention of your audience on certain elements of your design. When you follow this principle, your text is easy to read and understand key ideas. Use colors, font weight, spacing, and size to emphasize different parts of the text and create contrast. Look at this sample. Text is well structured, the key ideas are highlighted. You can easily tell where the header is and what text the author wants to emphasize. And now, check another sample. It is solid text that people can hardly read and remember. Let's review some more samples. All the provided samples are real cases used in our work. I changed the text to lorem ipsum to keep clients' info private. This slide was used for startup company presentation. Due to the contrast, you can easily read and understand two key points on the slide: short description and organizational structure. Also, check this slide. We designed it for the car sales company. As you may see, we used blue color, bold font, and icons to emphasize key ideas on the slide. Finally, let's have a small test task. Find the slide that doesn't follow the principle of the contrast. Check the slide carefully and pause the video if needed. It is time for the correct answer. The top right slide doesn't follow the principle of contrast. The white text on the left is hard to read. The text on the right has large spacing between subtitles and the icons. So as you may see, it doesn't look professional.